This is Alicia with the Desert Winds, continuing our how-to knitting videos. I'm going to teach you the slip stitch, which is probably the easiest thing you're ever going to do when knitting. For a slip stitch, you slip your needle through this thing, and you ignore pretty much the yarn back here. You're not doing anything with it. You take that stitch and you slide it off. Sometimes you have to do more than one. You continue it on. Now, certain kinds of stitches, it'll have you slip it so that you can do something else to it later. But sometimes you just need to slip it, move it out of the way so that you can then continue knitting on and getting back to those later. And it's just pull it through, take it off, and move it along. And that's the slip stitch.